just switched stands today, and we've seen a couple small bucks right away this morning, but it's just been cold and windy and dead. And next thing you know, I looked off to my left and I'm like, Matt, buck. And he's coming quick, and he started to skirt around us, and finally he was heading back off in the woods back there, and I drilled him right before he got in there. And he's down right there. He didn't go 10 yards.